The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is moving fast towards peace and prosperity. People are happy in the region, but someone is envious of this development. This someone is none other than India's hostile neighbor Pakistan, which is consistently making efforts to hamper peace and accord in the region. Regular infiltration attempts and attacks on security forces, civilians and candidates during DDC elections in Jammu and Kashmir have once again exposed Pakistan's nefarious designs, wherein it is attempting to directly target the basic democratic structure of Jammu and Kashmir in order to evoke a sense of fear and anxiety among the civilians and local political leaders. A report.
Hours of relentless exchange of bullets killed two terrorists from Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba in Poonch region of Jammu and Kashmir, while one was caught alive from the encounter site. The three Pakistani terrorists were believed to have infiltrated into Kashmir from across the line of control about 3 days ago and were heading for South Kashmir's Shopian district, where they were nabbed in a snowbound area. They were asked to surrender, but they refused and instead fired indiscriminately on the security forces, resulting in an exchange of gunfire. A huge cache of explosives, electronic items and arms and ammunition was also recovered from them.
जब ये ऑपरेशन अपनी फाइनल स्टेज में था तो इसके दौरान फ़ौज और पुलिस ने वहाँ पे जो हमारी घेराबंदी के अंदर टेररिस्ट थे उनको सरेंडर करने का पूरा मौका दिया और ये मुहिम कम से कम 3 से 4 घंटे तक चली। नतीजतन एक टेररिस्ट एसोसिएट जो वहाँ से बच के निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा था उसे सही सलामत गिरफ्तार किया गया और उसके बाद भी दोबारा जो बाकी 2 टेररिस्ट फंसे हुए थे उनको बार बार ये कहा गया, हिदायत दी गई कि आप सरेंडर कर दें। जब काफ़ी देर के बाद उन्होंने इस पे कोई अमल नहीं दिखाया तो नतीजतन उन्होंने हमारी पार्टीज़ पे फायरिंग ओपन कर दी, जिसके नतीजे में एनकाउंटर इंस्यू हुआ। ये कल शाम को एनकाउंटर अपने इख्तिताम को पहुंचा, जिसमें दोनों टेररिस्ट जो है वो न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिए गए और एक टेररिस्ट एसोसिएट जो है वो गिरफ्तार किया गया।
Authorities say that Pakistan is sending terrorists to harm the flourishing grassroots democracy and development in the region. During the ongoing District Development Council elections in Kashmir, Pakistan-sponsored terrorists have targeted Indian security forces, civilians as well as election candidates. Held peacefully in 8 different phases, DDC elections have not only consolidated the fact that democracy is thriving in the Union Territory, but have also busted the lies of Pakistan, which racks up Kashmir at any and every possible opportunity.
We are going through a very important exercise throughout the state, and that exercise is an exercise in democracy at the grassroots level. Enthusiasm of the people with which they are coming out and participating in the elections is commendable. It's a big exercise, as I said, movement has to be ensured. So among a very large scale movement of the people, you have a hidden movement of an odd anti-national element coming to city or coming to some other place. Yesterday only you have had an incident in Poonch where Lashkar-e-Taiba group of terrorists was sent from Pakistan, but we have got enough evidence with us incriminating Pakistan in not only training people, sending terrorist outfits to this side of India to disturb the ongoing process. This incident also is part of the same design, part of the same conspiracy.
To achieve its nefarious agendas, Pakistan does not even shy away from hurting the innocent civilians of Jammu and Kashmir. These civilians, who have been the direct victims of Pakistan's mischief in the valley, are now extending all possible support to Indian forces in Kashmir.
बहुत परेशानी, हम अपनी परेशानी तो किसी को बता भी नहीं सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा जो गांव है ये बॉर्डर एरिया है। बॉर्डर एरिया पे डेली फायर होता है, ये नहीं कि एक दिन होता है, डेली होता है। हम लोगों को नुकसान होता है। गवर्नमेंट ने हमको बंकर भी बना के दिए, सब कुछ किया हुआ। हम नहीं कहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ भी नहीं किया है, क्योंकि मान लो अभी हम सब लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, ठीक है। अभी पाकिस्तान वाले फायर करेंगे तो हम यहाँ से भाग के बंकर में जा सकते हैं क्या? नहीं जा सकते हैं।
Bleed India with 1,000 cuts has been a state policy of Pakistan against India. Following the same strategy, Pakistan, which has failed miserably at subverting peace in India's Jammu and Kashmir, is now trying to hit India from different corners. The Border Security Force recently shot down 2 armed terrorists along the Pakistan border in Amritsar district of Punjab and recovered weapons and Pakistani currency from them. Frustrated by its failures at fomenting trouble in India, Pakistan is using all tricks in its book to unleash violence in the country. But vigilant Indian security forces have been successfully thwarting all its mischievous agendas.